Muthenya umwe thutha wa icera kaunti-ini ya Kajiado, umuthi mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto anyitanĩire na etikia a kanitha wa ACK PRO-CATHEDRAL kaunti-ini ya Samburu. Ruto uria uri icera-ini gicigo-ini giki guthurima tabarĩra ngũrani cia thirikari ni eranĩire gutwarithia na mbere ngwatanĩro njega gatagati ga thirikari na kanitha.
The partnership between the state and the church is what catalyzes development and makes it easier for citizens to unite and to forge forward together the development of the nation, the unity of the nation, the progress of our country. And therefore, we don't take it for granted when the church and the state work together.
Ruto AKIUGA angikorwo bururi wa Kenya ni ukwambatira ikiro cia mabururi maria mathiete na mbere thiini wa thi, no muhaka atongoria o hamwe na a Kenya makorwo na muoroto mwega wa gukuria bururi.
We must refuse to continue to be a third world country, and that is why we must do whatever it takes so that we can raise the ambition of our nation and move Kenya to a first world country. And it is doable. Kama wewe ni kiongozi katika taifa letu la Kenya na huamini nchi hii, huna maono ya maana yeyote, huna mipango yeyote ya kubadilisha Kenya, mambo yako tu ni negative, unaturudisha nyuma.
Oho akihurira ndebe tabarĩra ngũrani cia thirikari ari hamwe na waki wa nyumba cia raithi, waki wa barabara na thoko hamwe na ingĩ.
Pia Samburu town hii yenu hii pia nimetafuta milioni 500 ya kutengeneza lami za hapa town, ndio ikae kama city city ndogo ya hapa Maralal, si ndio?
Ruto EKUMAGARITIO ni atongoria ngũrani ari hamwe na gavana wa kaunti ya Samburu LATI LELELIT na minister wa migunda WAHOME.
It's important niseme ya kwamba hapa tuko na affordable housing going on very quickly. We have Milimani hapa Marara, we have phase 1, 2 and 3. By the time we go to Achas, within this county we shall have 1,500 units for affordable housing.
Kwa kweli yale ambayo umefanya kwa hii wakati mfupi sana, sisi kama jamii ya Wamasai umetufanyia mengi sana.
Icera riake gicigo-ini giki ritanyitwo guthie na mbere nginyagia muthenya wa rucio, kuria tanyitwo kuruguria tabarĩra ngũrani ari hamwe na waki wa nyumba cia raithi, waki wa barabara ya Kisima guthie Wamba, barabara ya Maralal guthie Baragoe na waki wa demu ya Iyamo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.